Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alex 彭。
你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。
今天好柔哦，
好柔吧？不一样的方式做我们的 We Love Hakka， 因为这个月是七夕情人节。
哦，所以要浪漫一点。
浪漫一点 yes. I'm trying to sound a little bit more romantic because this month marks Chinese Valentine's, and I thought maybe Alice can teach us terms associated with this Valentine's occasion. OK， 应该就来教教跟七夕有关系的一些单字啦。
OK，
好不好？
好。
哦，太好了。第一个就是七夕。Actually, Chinese Valentine's happens on the 7th day of the 7th lunar calendar month.
情人节。
情人节，这不就是7月7号吗？
对呀，7月7号就七夕了。
Oh, okay. They literally use the date to describe Chinese Valentine.
那七夕还可以讲一个叫做七夕。
七夕哦，就是七夕嘛，对不对 ？Okay.
直接讲。
You can just call it 七夕, and that's another way of saying it, or calling it the actual month and day. So let's make a sentence out of this. Happy Chinese Valentine's Day. 七夕情人节快乐。
七夕情人节快乐。
七夕情人节快乐。Oh, during Chinese Valentine's or any Valentine's, you're probably going to give a bouquet of flowers, especially roses. So, how do you say roses?
玫瑰花。
玫瑰花，玫好像没有东西了，玫
但是玫啊。
啊，对，这是玫瑰花。That's roses.
那海陆腔的玫瑰花，玫瑰花。
哦，比较可爱一点呢。玫瑰花 That's a different dialect for roses. 我们造一个句好了 ，OK？ 我准备了礼物和玫瑰花。I prepared a gift and some roses.
我有準備禮物，
我有準備禮物，
老玫瑰花。
老玫瑰花。Again, that means I prepared a gift and some roses. 在这个情人节的时候呢，我们要回到很温柔的声音了。有的时候不要太入骨哦，就会说我很想你。I miss you. How do you say that?
我懂思念你。
我懂思念你，要温柔一点呢。
OK， 我懂思念你。
Me too. 哦，这一集好肉麻哦。That means I miss you. 我懂思念你。There you have it. I hope you have a very romantic, lovely, beautiful Chinese Valentine's Day. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.